station and frequency. This is VU2 Delta Echo Victor. VU2 DEV calling. Any station on frequency. Good afternoon to all listeners. VU2 Delta Echo Victor. Victor Uniform 2 Delta Echo Victor. Standing by. Victor Alpha Romeo, Victor Uniform 2, Delta Echo Victor. Please go ahead.
VU2 DAV, KB1 we are returning. Good afternoon, sir. How are you, sir? And I hope today you are doing the experiment. Am I right? VU2 DAV, Kilo Bravo 1 Victor Alpha Romeo.
Yeah, Roger. Thank you for coming back to me once again. Yes. Super moon, so we should not lose the chance. I have requested VU3 Alpha Uniform Zulu from Thiruvananthapuram also to operate because he has got better facility in KSTTM, Kerala State Science and Technology Museum. So he would be operating from there. I would also try to operate by 6:01 is the moon rise. It will take maybe 20 minutes for the moon to come up 15 degrees above the horizon. Maybe I would make a secret call that time around 6:20 or so, plus or minus. KB1 VAR, Victor Uniform 2 Delta Echo Victor, standing by.
Victor Uniform 2 Delta Echo Victor, Kilo Bravo 1 Victor Alpha Romeo. Okay, sir. I don't know, we don't have a setup, but we'll try. Anyways, thanks for the call, sir, and sometime I will discuss regarding the HF with you. Otherwise, nothing from my side. I will also be on standby. Victor Uniform 2 Delta Echo Victor Kilo Bravo 1 Victor Alpha Romeo, standing by.
Yeah, Roger. Fine business. Yeah. Well, you could also listen by opening the squelch. 144.059, 144.073 are my favorite frequencies. In a FM set, you could also
This is a this is a receiver set, is it? This is a super heterodyne receiver operating at 40 meter band, amateur radio band. But
tuning control.
This is tuning control.
Fine tuning control.
This is fine tuning. This is fine tuning but knob. This is main tuning knob, and this is
volume control.
Volume control. When you receive the signal, you can control the volume with this. And you have got a speaker here, and you have got circuitry inside, and this is the cover. And at the back side, you have got power input terminals. And here we have to connect the antenna. This receiving antenna will be connected at this point, and this is for power terminals. This equipment works on 12 volts battery. The battery is being connected now. The antenna is connected at this point, and the antenna is going out. Now he is tuning the frequency, searching for station. You can hear the this is only a receiver, so we'll be able to hear only transmissions from the other end. We are not able to send any signal from here. So receiving station only. Now it's fine tuning the frequency. Here, as long as any station is there on the band, it will be received. We are able to copy some station.
He's from Madurai. DC. This is Mangalore. This is Madurai, NDR. He is slightly weak. మన యాంకర్ కన్నా పైకి పెట్టేస్తే కనుక స్ట్రాంగ్ వచ్చేస్తారు.
And okay, VS3 buying V2 buying X3 VS3 Papa Whiskey Jaco on the side to Hotel Echo Golf November Echo Roger.
This is an Indian software-defined radio which can be operated through laptops or computers by connecting computer to these two terminals, and this is the power switch, and this is antenna, and these things are power, and this is on-off switch connected to the computer, and frequencies are set through a computer program, and automatically it will receive. So the frequency adjustment buttons, all those things of a conventional volume control, etc., are not there in this. They are all controlled by the computer and its accessories. This is called Indian software defined radio. This operates at 12 volts, again DC power, and this radio is designed for 7 megahertz amateur radio frequency band.